Good, rainy, stormy, intensifying, phasing low pressure just off to the south-southwest of the greater Detroit metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan, right? This is VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share on our way to 1,000 subscribers for a one-of-a-kind company-made probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, along with VGCI News and Weather Authority, right? That's simulcasted on our Facebook, Michigan weather, Michigan snow forecast gold standard, right? Check that out. We're going to be having a lot of those videos as the late fall season gets underway here in about a month, and winter storms start to happen across North America and the greater Great Lakes metropolitan area, right? But right now we're going to go into the coins, and you can see Bitcoin 3.5, the XRP 6, a few other coins, Quanta 7%, up, not down, up. They're all up this morning, Vincenzo. Yeah, I know they're all up this morning, but they're all bouncing off their crash lows right as the daily started for today last night, right? So if we zoom on in real quick to Bitcoin, you can see we went over this last night, what could be a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern in the daily time frame. And that's what it looks like to Vincenzo. And that's why we got that blue box, purple box down there. And that's a big support box. And why am I this morning? I need my windows to defrost. I can't see shit. They're all fogged the fuck up. But you can see we think that's a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. And that's a critical purple support box. If you break that, you're coming to that green support box down there, right, at $28,000. And that's a beautiful telegraph what we got going on there. And we're trading back towards that neckline now, right? And the targeted move is way down there in that circle. But that's months away, multiple months away. But the short-term target is that 36,669 purple support box. And if you can't hold that purple support box, unfortunately, you're going to come fall down into that green support box that bottoms out at $26,000, right? We know this. The XRP is the same thing. Well, it's not the same thing, but it's the same overall pattern. It's falling. You can see you got your major overhead resistance up there at $1.02, right? If we zoom on in now to the hour time frame, to give you a super simple, easy way to trade this manipulated market, right? I don't know why these windows just won't clear. Let me wipe this down a little bit. I think that's what the problem is. It's got some dirty windows now. Wipe that shit down, right? Nah, it's fucked. We're just gonna have to deal with it. But you got that major overhead resistance. You got that falling channel that we put at the wicks for you last night when we were nearing 85 cents, and we said that would be a nice bounce zone to come back to the upper end of the descending triangle, and that's exactly where you're at now on the top side of that 93-cent overhead resistance. And now I think you got to watch as we zoom in to see. You can see it came up to that. It just did it quicker, so it was a higher price. Now, what to watch out for? Can it back test with our industry exclusive purchasing tool or waiting line price predictor? When it back tests, can it hold, or does it fall back into this triangle, right? That's what we got to watch out for today in the XRP. Or if it back tests, can it just start shooting up, which I don't expect, right? Not that high if it came up. But that's what to watch for in the XRP. And the Dogecoin had a nice rally. It did off of its crash low. I think it got down to about 18 cents. Now 19.5 cents. You can see now we got some support and resistance along our bottom support zone that it came onto. Now we got overhead resistance up in here. So this looks to be the pattern that you trade in maybe the rest of today until you decide you break to the upside and maybe come make a run up at that 23-cent line at major overhead resistance, or you crash down and come down to your next target of 0.096 cents, right, on a big crash. We'll keep an eye on that for you today. We have exciting things going on in the coin market. We got lots of pumps off their crash lows, and we'll keep you up to date on everything that's going on in Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing and in the YouTube sphere, right? What you guys need to do is check me out on the old Twitter, right? Let's go over to Vincenzo at a Twitter at a glance is what I call it. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter at a glance, right? We now have 45 followers. You can believe that. But you can see we put beautiful. Look at that yesterday. We put possible dead man bounce, and it bounced off that yesterday morning before an afternoon fears collapse, right? So you get quick. I call it Twitter at a glance because look at that. At a glance, you've seen in the algo. When we were diagnosing out for the last week that we were in a descending triangle, we got our overhead resistance line, price target on the breakdown, and you can see it came right to it, right? And it's just right at a glance. You can just glance it, go bam, it's a nice trading alert. And a guide if you're trying to trade. Right here, Bitcoin. You seen you're in a descending channel, and we had our lower target down there at $38,000 and $39,000 on the next bounce down, and it came right to it. Just right at a glance, major upper resistance, right? You just know right at a glance what to look for. And a quick, if you don't have time to watch a 6, 7, 8 minute technical analysis video, you can just come to this powerful Twitter at a glance at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter, and you can just go right to my tweets and start sharing my tweets. You guys need to share them more. We need to spread the message on Twitter, get more traffic to my page, and you can see right here. Look, here's the algo I was talking about. Before, right as the breakdown started, another one. We showed you the price target down there that it ended up coming down to right at a glance, right? Super simple and easy. I think I got algo even farther back. If you go scroll back down through my Twitter sphere more, you'll see. But it's just Twitter at a glance. Super powerful, easy, interactive way to talk to you guys and a way for you to get that quick knowledge and trading alert that you need at a glance. Peace and love. Peace and love.